Good morning, students, and welcome. Myself, Janish Shah, Assistant Professor at LJ College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are going to learn about the linear data structure stack expression conversion. See, in my last lecture, we see about the different operations in stack, such like push, pop, peep, and change. Okay, we have studied about their algorithms and also their C functions. So now we are talking about the expression conversion in stack. So let's start. Here, the outlines of today's subject is today's lecture is the first one is expression conversion, the next is infix to postfix, okay, next is postfix to infix, then infix to prefix, prefix to postfix, postfix to prefix, and vice versa. So both postfix to prefix and prefix to postfix. Okay, so let's begin with the expression conversion. So here, one question comes in a mind that what do you mean by the expression? Okay, so what do you mean by the expression? The first, see, there are various types of expressions are there. And the number one is prefix. Second one is infix, and third one is a postfix. Prefix, infix, and postfix. See, have you ever seen like A plus B? A plus B. Okay, sorry. A plus B. Okay. So A and B are known as operands. What they called? They're known as operands. The plus is known as operator. Minus is known as operator. Multiplication is known as operator. Division is known as operator. So whatever the comes before and after the operator, that thing is known as operands. So the expression is means same. Like if you have an example like do 2 plus 3, answer is 5. 2 plus 3 is a expression. Now again 2 plus 3 minus 6. That means 5 minus 6 minus 1. This is again an example of expression. Fine. So how to convert an infix expression into postfix and postfix expression into prefix? This will be studied over here today. So what do you mean by the prefix? What do you mean by the prefix? Let's see. The expression in which the operator placed before the operands. See, I'm not going for into the deep in the definition, but see over here in the example. The operator, then OP1 and OP2. Remember, OP1 and OP2 are known as operands. What are they called? They're called as operands. Okay. It's like plus AB, minus AB, star. Here what happened? A plus B. A plus B. Now take this plus before A. Okay, sorry. Take this plus before A. Then what happened? Plus AB plus AB. This thing is known as prefix expression. If it's A minus B, then we call it as minus AB. If it's A star B, then we convert it into star AB. This thing is known as infix expression. Fine. Okay. Now, moving forward to the next is, sorry, prefix expression. Moving forward to the next is infix. What do you mean by the infix? Infix means A plus B, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 5 plus 8, A star B, A minus B. Each and every expression is known as infix, where operator is in between two operands. Operand 1, operand 2, operator. That thing is known as infix. Now, operand 1, operand 2, operator. That thing is known as prefix. Operand 1, operand 2, operator. That thing is known as postfix. Fine. So see, when operator 1, operand 1, operator, and operand 2, A plus B, these all expressions are known as infix. In postfix, the operator will become at the backside of the operands. So AB plus, AB minus, AB star. This all three expressions are known as postfix expression, like OP1, OP2, and operator. So what happened? According to definition, operator is placed before the respective operand, then thing is known as prefix. After the respective operand, then thing known as postfix, and in between of two operands, that thing is known as infix. Fine. So now let's begin with precedence table. See students, precedence table, that means prioritized table. Okay, we have some priority before starting the expressions. Here, each and every expressions are without parentheses. Okay, so this is a precedence table. Operator plus minus, division star, dollar, arrow, caret. Okay, see, dollar, this symbol is known as dollar, this symbol is known as arrow, and this symbol is known as caret. All three these operators are known as exponential operators. Okay, now the list of operators, precedence and rank. Why we are using rank? Rank shows the expressions level or the balancing expression level. Okay, each and every expression is balanced only and only if its rank is 1. So ideally the rank should be 1. Rank should be 1. Okay, fine. So here the operator plus minus are there. Precedence of operator plus minus is 1. Rank is minus 1. Division star 2. Rank is minus 1. Dollar arrow caret minus 1. Rank is 3. ABCD precedence is 5. Rank is 1. Sir, should we need to remember this table during the exam? Yes, we need to remember. But to do the examples using this table, you do not need to remember much. Just focus on things which I'm telling you right now. Okay. Plus and minus has always lowest precedence. Okay. Above plus minus come division and star. Above division star, we take dollar arrow caret. The highest precedence is ABCD variables. Okay, fine. Plus and minus has the lowest precedence. Above that, division and star. Above that, dollar arrow caret. So, what is the use of dollar arrow and caret? I can understand the 2 plus 3. Okay, I can understand 2 star 3. I can also understand that A dollar B. A $B, that means $2 $3. That means 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. 2 caret 3, that means 2 raised to 3. 2 arrow 3, that means 2 raised to 3. So dollar arrow and caret, that means raised to power. Dollar arrow caret shows the power. And all three operators are known as exponential operators. Fine. Okay. Now, moving forward to the next topic is points to remember. Okay. If you have, please keep note and pen with you because these topics are very much important. Even each and every data structure, whenever you find out the points to remember, please write it down in your notebooks. Please. Okay. The first thing is for conversion infix to postfix or infix to prefix. Infix to postfix or to convert from infix to prefix, you need to note down some points. Number 1, first converting infix to prefix, infix to postfix, first check the precedence of the operator. What you need to do from whole expression, you need to find out the highest precedence. Okay, first to convert the precedence whose precedence is highest more than all others in the string. Okay, I'm giving you an example. If you have 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6, again 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6. Okay, then what happened? What happened? What will the first expression need to execute? 3 multiplied by 6. 3 multiplied by 6. If you remember the BODMAS, or in Gujarati it will be like Bhagu Sabha, right? The method. Okay, the first you need to do division and multiplication, then you need to focus on plus and minus. Okay, how you will calculate this? According to the precedence table. According to the precedence table. I have told you that in precedence, the lowest precedence is plus minus. Above that, division star. Above that, dollar arrow caret. Fine. So always execute that operator whose precedence is higher than any other. Okay. Next one is now in case of same precedence in infix string. Suppose in many cases it will be happen that you will get plus and minus both in the same string. Then what will you need to do? If you have exponential operator, if you have more than one exponential operator in the same string, then starts from right to left. Starts from right to left. But if in other cases, if you have operator like plus, minus, division, star. Then you need to go from left to right. Okay, if you have exponential operator, then please go right to left. If you have plus, minus, division, star, then go left to right. Okay, what do you mean by the left to right and right to left? We will see in the next example. So let's start, students. Another point to remember. See, whatever I told you previously, I just converted into the C type of code so you can easily understand. So that means if the operators are dollar, arrow or caret, dollar, arrow or caret, that means exponential operators, then please proceed from right to left. But if your operators are plus, minus or division star, then please proceed from left to right. Okay, just remember this thing. Dollar, arrow, caret, then right to left, plus, minus, division star, then left to right. That's fine now. Okay, so now let's moving ahead. The first one is infix to postfix. Okay, infix to postfix, or this thing is also known as reverse polish. Students, remember postfix expression is known as reverse flow polish. So please note down in your notebook somewhere that postfix is equal to reverse polish. Okay, in example for confusion, they may ask that convert infix expression into reverse polish. Then please do not say, sir, that I don't know about that. What do you mean by the reverse polish? Okay, means reverse polish means postfix expression. Okay, so now the first, taking the first example, that number one is a plus b. Okay, students, the first example is a plus b. Okay, is this infix expression? Yes. How we can say that? Here a and b's are there. Both are operands. In between of them, plus is there. Plus is a operator. So when we have operator in between of operands, that expression is known as infix expression. So what we need to do? We just need to do convert into postfix. So what we are going to do? Please focus on the mouse pointer. Focus on the mouse pointer. We need to remove this plus operator and move towards the back side of the B. Such like this. Take it from here, combining both A and B, and move the plus at the back side of the B. So see, such like this, moving the first expression at the back side of the B, so it will become AB plus. Have you seen something over there? I'm just combining A and B, and then moving plus to the back side of the B. Then what happened? That putting the brackets over there. Sir, is brackets necessary? No, brackets are not necessary. Okay, brackets are used just for your convenience only. I use bracket to understand that this expression has already been executed. Okay, I have executed AB, so I am just putting the brackets over there. Okay, now removing it, the answer is AB plus. Answer is AB plus. Okay, fine. Now, taking the next example. A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Now I have C. Check your points to remember. What happened? Both A plus and minus, both operators precedents are same. Both precedents are same. If precedents are same, then what happened? Take from left to right. Take from left to right. This is left to right. Left to right. So what expression will be executed first? A plus B. A plus B will be executed first. Okay. See, if you are showing this, if you are showing watching this video, please see that I am highlighting plus. Okay, plus the highlighted operator will be executed first. Okay, fine. So in this expression, we will execute the plus first. What happened? A and B, combine A and B, combine A and B, and move plus at the back side of the B. Okay, so plus is the back side of the B, such like this. Okay, see, plus back side of the B, so it will become AB plus. AB plus. Put AB plus into the bracket. Put AB plus into the bracket. Now left. What happened? What is the remaining expression? See, this will become the whole operand. AB plus is a whole operand. Another operand is C. AB plus C. Between of them, that is a minus. That is a minus. So minus sign. Now, what do we need to do? We just need to combine both operands. Okay, that means AB plus and C. AB plus and C. Combine both of them. Okay, so just combining it and put minus sign at the back side. So AB plus and C. AB plus and C combining, put minus at the back side. Put minus at the back side. The expression will become AB plus C minus. Your answer is AB plus C minus. Okay, fine. Now, next. There is a description over here in the video. If you are watching it, please take a screenshot or write it down, or you can read it. That here, first the precedence of plus and minus are same. So we start conversion from left to right. In the left to right, first we will be executed AB plus, then AB plus and C combined, it will become AB plus C minus. Okay, now the third example, C. A plus B star C division D minus E plus F. This whole is a infix expression. Again repeating it, A plus B star C division D, A plus B star C division D minus E plus F. Okay, now what to do? We just need to convert this into the postfix expression. How? See, first, plus tell me that what is the first operator will be executed? Plus minus? No, it has a lower precedence than division star. Okay, the division star has a highest precedence. Division and star has a highest precedence. Okay, now we have division, we have star. We have division, we have star. So both has the same precedence. Division star has the same precedence. In same precedence, what we need to do? We just need to follow left to right sequence. Which sequence? Left to right. So at the left position, what is the operator is? Star. Operator is star. Okay. So I am taking the star as an operator. Okay, will be executed first. Okay, and then division. First star, then division. So see here, B star C will be executed first. So what happened? It will become B, C, then star. Again, B, C, then star. Okay, C, B, C star. Star is completed. Star is executed. Now we will take the remaining operators plus, division, minus, plus. Plus, division, minus, plus. Which operator has the highest precedence? Division. Now execute division. So what happened? B, C star take one side, D and minus at the back side of the D. So it will become A plus B, C star, D division. C, B, C star and D. And then division at the back side. Fine. Now the next is minus. Next is minus, plus. So which will be executed first? That is plus. That is plus. Okay. So the answer is A, B, C, C. A, B, C star, D minus. A, B, C star, D minus. Combine both of them to put minus at the back side. Sorry, plus as a back side. Okay. Now minus will be executed and then plus will be executed. So the answer is A, B, C star, D division plus E minus F plus. This is a description that here the minus and star and division both has the same precedence. Okay, so we executed my star at first, then division. Again, for the execution, plus and minus at the same precedence, we will execute it first, plus of the left side. Okay, now taking the last example of infix to postfix. A division B $C minus D star E caret F plus G minus H. Okay, writing the same sequence. Students, here plus minus are there, division star are there, and caret is also there. Caret. So which has the highest precedence? Caret. Which has the highest precedence? Caret. But now here we have two different carets. One with E caret F, second one is B caret C. C the mouse pointer. B caret C, E caret F. B caret C, E caret F. So we need to execute E caret F first. because it's an exponential operator. Watch out your points to remember. In that we have written that in exponential operator, if the precedents are same, then we should move from right to left. We should move from right to left. Right to left. So the right position is E caret F. Right position is E caret F. So it will be executed first. It will become E F caret. E F caret. So the answer is E F caret. Okay. Now the next topic is V caret C. Next is V caret C. So we will execute V caret C. Now see, I am not removing brackets from EF caret and VC caret. EF caret and VC caret because that term is executed. So I can understand that it is a operand, not operator. Okay, that's why I'm putting the brackets. Bracket is for the security purpose. That bracket shows that this term has already been executed. Okay, now we have division minus star plus minus. So we have two operators, division and star, both has the same precedence. Both has the same precedence. So first we need to execute left to right, left to right. So what we need to take? We need to take division. We're executing division like A, BC caret, A, BC caret, and division at the back side. A, BC caret, division at the back side. Now, what will happen? Minus will be executed, star will be executed. Okay, so D, EF caret, D, EF caret, and star at the back side. D, EF caret, star at the back side. Plus G minus H. Now we have minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So that we need to do is to combining from left to right. Go left to right. Take this A, B, C caret division, D, E, F caret star, and minus at the back side. Then plus G minus H. Again take the whole string, combining G plus at the back side. Again take a whole string, combining H minus at the back side. This is your answer. This is your answer. Please focus on the A, B, C caret division, D, E, F caret star minus G plus H minus. Okay. So here the both caret has the same precedence. So we're taking from right to left and executing EF first, then BC. Okay. So in this lecture we studied about the infix to postfix. In my next lecture we studied about the next infix to prefix. Till that, if you have any query, please feel free to ask me, but do not remember to learn the points that I have told you, that how to execute infix to, or how to take the precedence and how to execute the expression. Like first $, then division star, and then plus minus. Thank you so much.